This is the Leco VC50 Precision Diamond Saw. It's used for cutting mounted samples. As always, when using any piece of machinery, wear safety goggles and be sure to tie any hair or loose articles of clothing back. For safety precautions, make sure the saw is unplugged when placing your sample in the vise. Remove the splash guard by pulling upward vertically. To place your sample in the vise, turn the screw counterclockwise to loosen. Insert your sample and secure it by turning the vise screw clockwise. Pull up on the arm and turn the arm lock screw counterclockwise to release the arm in order to see where the sample will hit the cutting wheel. Adjust where the cutting wheel will hit the sample by turning the micrometer adjustment to move the sample left and right accordingly. Once adjustments are completed, raise the arm to the highest position and secure it by turning the arm locking screw clockwise. Reattach the splash guard and insert the power cord to begin the cutting process. Press the power button to turn the machine on, press the start button to start the rotation of the cutting wheel, and then adjust your cutting speed to 26 feet per minute. First, you want to make sure that the lubricating oil is present on the cutting wheel. Then lower your sample by lifting the arm, turning the locking screw counterclockwise, and slowly lowering the sample to the cutting saw. Once a groove is made in the sample, you can increase the cutting speed. Most mounted samples are too large for the blade to cut evenly. In order to achieve an even cut, power down and unplug the saw halfway through the cutting process. You're going to want to rotate the sample along the cutting line and refasten the vise. Replace the splash guard, power the saw back up, and continue cutting using the previously outlined procedure. Once the cut is made, push the stop button to stop the rotation of the cutting wheel. Power down and unplug the machine. Remove the splash guard and the side panel in order to retrieve your cut pieces of sample.